Encasement supplied and installed 20 bespoke aluminium column casings from its Forma range as part of a key project to refurbish and extend Winchester College's new hall building, which was originally constructed in 1961. 4 of the 450mm diameter casings stand 5.8 metres high and are used as a main feature within the redesigned entrance to conceal structural steelwork for its pitched canopy. The remaining 16 casings are located in other parts of the building, including the glazed foyer area, and all have a grey RAL 7015 PPC finish to integrate with the interior design scheme. Encasement manufactured every column casing to precise architectural specifications, which included asymmetric header collars that were cut on site to ensure they fitted perfectly with the angled canopy. Visit Encasement's website for information on their complete range.